What's that, Barky? What is it, Barkley? What's that, Barky? Oh, no, it's the lion with the whiskers. Oh, Barkley. Go get it, Barkley. Go get it. What? Go get it. What's that, Barkley? You're funny. Can you get it? Barkley, go get it. What? Go get it. Has it got whiskers, Barkley? Barkley, go and get it. Barkley, don't worry about the construction men. Barkley, go. Go get it. Go get your lion. Okay, Barkley, get it. Pick it up. Come on, let's go. Come on. You afraid of the lion? You are too. It's got whiskers. Okay, Bark. Look, Barkley, go get it. Go get the lion. That's it. Go get it. Come on, the whiskers can't hurt you. You're just afraid. Hey, good boy. You gonna get it? Oh, you brave boy. Get it by the tail. That was good. Okay, come on, Bark. Let's go. You're not gonna get it right now. Okay, Bark, you gonna get it? It's waiting for you. Oh, here he comes. Barkley, you're funny. You're a big baby cutie. Hey, Barkley, look. You want to say hi to Mom and Dad? Bark. Hi, Barky. Go get the lion. Go get it. You're funny. He's afraid of Mr. Lion. Good boy, Bark. You play with that. I'm coming. Good boy, Barky. Okay, Barky. Go get it, Bark. Go get it. Okay. Here, Bark. Come on, let's go. Barkley, come. I don't think he's going to get it. He's afraid of it. Barkley, come. We'll get it later. Good boy.